Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my fans, depending from where you are viewing my channel right now. Like I said, I'll be dropping more informations on how officers could go about prosecuting their cases in the court so that their case will not be struck out by the judge. So as you listen, then let me walk you through on the way and manners to conduct yourself in the court of law when you are being summoned to produce evidence. Number one, when you get to court, there are some books you are going to meet in the court. For example, using Nigeria as a case study, when you get to court, there are two books you are going to meet in the court. And the books are the Holy Quran and Holy Bible. Holy Quran and Holy Bible. Those are the two books that are legalized by law to be accepted in the court during evidence. Okay? Now, what do? When you get to the court, you have to swear an oath. You swear an oath. Now, let me use a Christian as an example. You are a Christian that you have been called for to come and give evidence in the court. When you get to the court, what will you do? You have to take the Holy Bible with your hands, and you will repeat, as I said, that I swear by this Holy Bible that the evidence I shall give in this case before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. But in this point, I will discover that we make research, and we discover that officers became nervous in this area when they want to give evidence in the court. When they are swearing an oath, some of them do not even know how to take the oath. So they will be teleguided by the prosecutor. So, which is very, very wrong. So as an officer who is being called to come and give evidence, you should be able to know how to give that evidence, and you should know how to recite the oath. Do not allow somebody to teleguide you, to tell you, repeat after me. No. You are supposed to raise up your hands and say as follows, that I swear with this Holy Bible I'm holding that the evidence I shall give in this case before this honorable court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. Okay? Then the next point, what do? Your appearance in the court matters a lot. How do you appear in the court of law? You should address the way you should be addressed. So when you do not dress well, it is not okay for you not to dress well. When you dress well, you see that you are going to represent any organization that have sent you there. Okay? Now, what is the next point? The next point is you should avoid any distracting mannerism. You should avoid every distractive mannerism. What do I mean by that? You are in the witness box trying to give evidence. Okay? Now, you are not chewing gum. There's a chewing gum in your mouth. What do you expect? What do you expect? That all the eyes of the court are on you. Okay? Hoping to hear what you want to say. And you are chewing gum in your mouth. That is very, very bad of you. Or you are always bringing your hands to your mouth. You should always try to keep your hands out from your mouth. That is one of the points that you should consider when giving evidence in the court of law. And when you are summoned to come and give evidence in the court, I used to advise my officers that you should go to court and call for your case file. Call for your case file. Glance through the case file. Why? Because you must have charged this case to court for a long time. Maybe 2 months, 1 year, 3 years, as the case may be. Now they are calling you to come and give evidence. You don't not come to court and give evidence. You are supposed to go to the court and meet the prosecuting counsel. Tell them that you are having a court evidence tomorrow. You want to go through your file. Your file will be retrieved and will be given to you. You will read it and understand what you must have written in the past 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, as the case may be. Now, listen to this point. I used to tell my officers, Do not memorize what you want to go and say in the court. Do not memorize what you want to tell the court, because when you get to the court, you will discover that the question you are expecting is not what they are going to ask you. The question you are expecting is not what they are going to ask you, and you have memorized everything at your head or offhand. No, it is wrong. We don't advise officers to memorize their words or what they want to go and tell the court. Read your case file, understand the case file, digest it before going to the court. Secondly, and number 5 point is, you should be very, very serious in the court of law. You should avoid being laughing. You are always laughing. Small thing you laugh. No, you don't laugh like that when you are in the court of law. You have entered the witness board. For you to be an effective witness, you should be very, very serious in the court of law. Number 6, what do you do? Number 6, you have to learn how to speak clearly and loudly. You should be audible enough, because you are speaking to the defense counsel, you are speaking to the prosecuting counsel, you are speaking to the judge. All the eyes of the court are on you. So they want to listen and hear what you are saying. When you are not audible enough to speak for them to understand, it becomes a problem to the court and even unto you. So I used to advise officers to speak clearly and loudly, because whatever you are saying is taken down in written by the judge or even the clerk and whoever, the judges, a defense counsel, whoever who are present in the court. Okay, then the last but not the least, please, if up till now you have not liked this video, you are not doing me good too. Please like this video and let me hear your opinion at the comment section of the video, so that let me know what to do, if I should produce more or I should learn from your own opinion. The last but not the least is for you to listen carefully to every question that you are being asked. You should listen very carefully to every question you are being asked. Don't just rush to answer any question in the court of law. You should always listen, digest the question, then formulate your answers. By so doing, you are going to be an effective witness in the court, and you will end up winning your case. I hope I have walked you through on the suggestion on how to be an effective witness. Thank you very much. Please like the video so that YouTube can recommend this for other users. Thank you very much.